Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles 2. I'm Mzansi. Another day, a new episode. I'm just in a good mood. But anyways, more shows are coming. Just bear with me. Anyways, let's enjoy the show.
What time is it? Oh, it's only 6 o'clock. I can get another 5 minutes of sleep. Okay, I'm up. Foot's sake, man.
Via.
100 rand challenge.
Wow! Challenge!
Yo, you guys are saving money.
Oh my god!
Yo.
The economy!
Yo,
It's heavy!
Ali Perish ikikupa piece ya wing.
Nakupa one slice of pizza!
Kupa pizza.
Kutrella, breakfast!
Hey.
Wow, that's interesting. Can we see your BMW right now? I want to see my future man's BMW.
Ngizobuya kuwe mfowethu. Sure. Listen, my how can you ask the BMW over the G-Wagon of my electric 55 over my Mercedes Benz over my Ferrari Lamborghini Porsche?
Susanna!
When I want to see my BMW, you don't take me serious.
Let me see the car. I finally didn't understand that you got a BMW or you got a Mercedes Benz because you talk about both of them. Erica,
Stepan guy, let's go. But for me, I'm so sad because you're asking, you want to see a BMW while I'm having Mercedes Benz, while I'm having G-Wagon, Porsche, Lamborghini, a Ferrari. When I want to see a BMW, why you go for a BMW?
So let me see all of your cars.
Okay, right now I'm at upstairs. My cars are there. Downstairs. I'm at upstairs, top there, at the 4th floor. So my cars are there by the car wash. My boys are washing my cars there.
It's okay. I have got all the time in the world to wait for you to go there. Let me see your key car.
My key cars are down there with the security. I'm not home.
Hello.
Sure, baby, didn't I?
How? Reason for baby, no?
Amaro iti chuba gatata wena.
I didn't tell you.
Avira lo itse go botse ba miska dintsha mo busy da.
Like no let's am chara thing fena mara ke busy dintsha.
Baby ba pega go bala ka fonte ene.
No man.
A baby lo no. Entle ke bona ntsene no. Na lona re khona ba lena go intshinyana go ntswa.
Eish baby ngwana go heno kae?
Mara baby wa itse re teke ntona lo ngwana phathello tsa batswadi jo.
Okay, ke tla he.
Mara nyonyo ba ira ka pela jo.
Re wa mpona ga phakisa khanking.
Hey bye.
Mara badolo ra le rato a mpona.
Wa mona motho wa mo jara teng.
Okay, so rira.
Ona no le ra ngwana ka mo dilo fatsa mabone. Ai wena e tla mbo wena.
Lone e tla.
Ntla le ke mo phone. Mani ya rasa funi ya rabe jo.
O yera ba ka re mo pa ke mo phone kuka.
Jo motho wa teng jo ra ba phone jo.
Hello. Batho ntshomiaka. Tsomiami dintsha. Ke fetela go heno go cheka bana ba teng. Thamani mo steng go heno wena. Awa cho, ke no tsile fela ke re go reka sephatlhonyana. Siphahle ne habe kudla ngari kudla voice ya ka kamreng ya butaka. Awu chomi nna go kamreng ya buta ha o chomi go fihla ba mmara chomi. Sa ba re ke tlo founela ke boa. Ya re tla bela chomi. Sha. Sina no re ke setlaela se nya founela skadi.
Aisha thing, Jojo thing, Ari.
Kse, tla ngwanaka. Hi, how are you? Ke monate wena. Hi, le nna ke monate nyakong sam. Intsanda rata. Ke decide le gore ke nya go latela nno ha go mo koting.
Pick a hand.
Huh?
Pick a hand. Pick a hand.
What's this one? Oh, Black Currants. Current, you know the song? Ange kundi suketwe. Goba mina ndizi tulele. Uzozwa mpama. Akoba. Hey, Karen, not this Karen.
Welcome to the SAPS interview. My name is Sergeant Kwebo, and I'll be interviewing you guys today. First, before we start, tell me about your qualifications.
So basically, I graduated top of my class.
Okay.
You know, I went to the army.
Oh,
I'm a former Navy SEAL.
wait. Indonesia, inja a fish. Oh, like fish dog. Yeah, some fish dog, like inja a fish. Oh, often by fish dog. No, continue.
And I'm also a former Marine.
Puti, do you think these are auditions to become a fish?
Sorry?
Do you think these are auditions to become a fish?
No, I'm not.
Then why are you telling us about, yo, I used to be a SEAL. Oh, now I want to be a Marine. Oh, I come with John Cena. Next, grade 5. Excellent. Magnificent. Shit, it's so many qualifications. Next question. So what do you do when somebody comes to the police station in need for help?
That's pretty easy, sir. Go to them and assist them.
Tetikaka. When what do you do, sir? Nothing. Oh, wow. Amazing. Like, what don't they stay at home? If they need help, they must go to Google. Yeah, anyways, question number C. So what do you do when they call 10111?
So like when they call 10111, that'll mean it's an emergency and they're in trouble. So I'll first assess the situation and request for a van and attend to them immediately.
What you attending at your class in? Why are you attending them? They're not classes. Mna personally, bra. Blue tick, mkulu. I don't mind suck it. I think I'm in love with you, sir. What's your name? Mashakalala Johnson. Alright, question number 4. What do you do if you get a call in a hostage situation?
In that situation, sir, I would basically gather up the SWAT team, make sure that everything is intact. So
fuck that, my thought. Yo, hostage situation, my ass. What is this? A film. This is not Die Hard 3. I am not Rambo. What am I gonna do in the hostage situation? I'm a hostage myself of society. No more words from you. Anyways, last question. What do you do when somebody calls and says they got shot?
Well, in that situation, you keep calm. You ask the person who's calling where the location is. You drive the location with proper backup. And
fuck that, Bazalwane. What am I? An ambulance? Oh my God. Why are they calling me about they got shot? What am I supposed to do? Stitch their wound with their gun and use bulletproof as a plaster? Oh, that just put eyes in my tears. Anyways, would you take a bullet for your fellow police cop?
Yes.
Fuck that, my dog. Why would I take something that was meant for another man? Those are his blessings. He must take them.
Neighbor.
Terminator.
How you
Long
been?
time.
I'm good, man. Wait, why are you calling me Terminator?
Because you are always charging your ankles like a mini Tesla.
No, I'm not charging. It's an ankle monitor.
Monitor. And what is it monitoring?
The police gave it to me.
Well, for what?
Grand Theft Auto.
Oh, you are a thief. I always knew it because stuff been going missing around the building, but we can never find anybody.
Are you trying to say it's me?
Oh, why? Are you feeling guilty? You're undisputed thief.
No,
overrated criminal.
No, you're making assumptions.
You see, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
So you're telling me you have 2 lockdown, but I'm the one assuming. Yeah. What did you even steal? The code to the American nuclear weapon?
No.
Huh?
No.
Because they are giving everybody one, and you have 2. No, that's okay. Keep stealing. You'll see where you end up next.
Well, where am I gonna end up?
No, don't worry, you'll find out.